Alright, so it's day 2. No, day 3. Yeah, I don't even know what day it is anymore. And you can probably tell by the progression of the crazy hair. So Black Canyon is done. We are very far away from Black Canyon now. And we're heading up to a secret waterfall for the second time. So yesterday something bad happened. And judging by the title of the video, maybe you might know what that is. So I'll show you what happened because I want to see if it's still there. But for now, let's get hiking because we got a little bit more to go. Here we are at Secret Falls, or a fall that is secret, for some definition of secret. We're kind of in the middle of nowhere, and we hiked up here yesterday, and got some great footage, some great photos and all that. So as the title may have alluded, there was a death in the family, and that was our dear friend Marvin. And if you haven't seen my stuff before, then Marvin was my DJI Mavic Air. He was a very good friend. And he is dying a slow, painful, agonizing death because he had a meeting that never ended with that tree. All right, so here's what happened. I'm taking this epic footage of Mike walking up to the waterfall, and I didn't get the drone too close to the waterfall. I kept it at a distance, and there's no wind, none at all. And Marvin's going higher, and then all of a sudden, like a Greek tragedy, Aeolus, the god of wind, decided that Marvin needed to be in that tree. All right, so we're gonna start heading back down now. We've properly mourned Marvin, but now it's like a little bit after 7 in the morning. We've been up since 5 looking for wildlife. We're gonna continue our wildlife hunt, which is going moderately successful, I would say. Mike's goal was to get a moose, and we got a moose. Not the best moose in the best conditions ever, but we did get it. We're gonna try to get some better stuff now. So let's get back to hiking. Alright, so we found the moose. We're driving down this dirt road just by the river, and we found the moose again. We found her yesterday. She was right here. Today she's right along the river's edge. So we're gonna see if we can just creep a little bit closer to her and without disturbing anything. We're still probably a couple hundred meters away, so we're just gonna see if we can inch closer and without disturbing her and get a little bit better of a shot. All right, made it back to the cabin. Moose was successful, and now we're gonna go get breakfast. All right, so another abrupt ending. So if you saw part 1 of this, then you know this was already coming. So basically, like I said in part 1, at the end of part 1, it's been about a month now since this episode, since I lost Marvin up there at Secret Falls. And I told you that I wanted to do this, and I still wanted to post this vlog, even though I didn't finish it out there, just because, again, a bunch of stuff took different turns, and we had a bunch of crazy weather to deal with, and we had some other situations that arose that needed full attention. So anyways, here I am now, and here you are now, and here Marvin is not now. So that's been the hardest part about editing this whole video, is still the loss of Marvin. Anyways, so on a positive note, the rest of the workshop went great, and we were able to turn it basically into a wildlife workshop, and I really enjoyed the stuff that we were able to get done and see, and just all of that stuff. So I'm gonna leave you guys with a little more B-roll of some wildlife and some of the images that I ended up coming away with from the rest of this Colorado trip. So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I've got new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Hit that like button if you enjoy this kind of stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.